Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the LIAN Li PCI 4-24X Gen 4.0 PCI riser cable. If you're looking to vertically mount your GPU and showcase that beefy cooler, or simply need some extra flexibility in your build, this cable might be exactly what you need. First off, let's talk performance. This isn't just any riser cable. It's a Gen 4.0, meaning it's built for the latest and greatest GPUs. You're getting blazing fast data transfer speeds, ensuring your graphics card isn't bottlenecked by an older, slower cable. This is crucial for maintaining peak performance, especially with power-hungry, high-end cards. The build quality is also impressive. LIAN Li has a reputation for quality, and this cable doesn't disappoint. It feels robust and durable, designed to withstand the wear and tear of being moved and adjusted during installation. The materials used inspire confidence that it will last for the long haul. The 240mm length is a sweet spot for most mid-tower and even some larger cases. It provides enough slack to comfortably connect your GPU to the motherboard without excessive bending or strain on the connectors. This makes cable management a breeze and allows for a cleaner, more organized build. Aesthetically, the sleek black design blends seamlessly into almost any build. It's a subtle touch, but it contributes to a polished and professional look. No one wants a bright, clashing cable detracting from their carefully curated system. Installation is straightforward. The angle connectors are a thoughtful design choice, making it easier to plug into both the motherboard and the GPU, especially in tight spaces. Even if you're new to PC building, you should find this cable relatively easy to work with. The LIAN Li PCI 4-24X is more than just a pretty accessory. It's a performance-enhancing component that offers both form and function. If you're serious about your PC build and want to vertically mount your GPU without sacrificing performance, this riser cable is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.